Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Many thanks for the invitation from the Bloomberg and the Standard Chartered for this great event in this fabulous building. In recent years, London has made great strides in becoming a leading Western hub for the RMB. By far, London ranks first for offshore RMB foreign exchange transactions. It receives the largest share of RMB payments outside of Greater China, and it maintains the biggest offshore RMB clearance center out of Asia. China's further opening up will create more trade, investment, and finance business opportunities. In the future, I believe that London will continue to play an important role in supporting global use of the RMB and facilitating the Belt and Road projects. Based on the three major themes as below. First, China is opening up its onshore bond and equity markets for international investors. Global indices inclusion would significantly accelerate such kind of inbound investment. RMB assets are increasingly accepted globally. China's government bonds and policy financial bonds just started to be included in Bloomberg Barclays Global Bond Index from the 1st April, which is yesterday. According to Standard Chartered's research, this will attract 110 billion US dollar passive investment inflows into China's bond market. China A shares will be fully included in MSCI's EM index from 5% to 20% this year, which will attract more than 50 billion US dollar passive investment inflows. Second, we are also seeing RMB increasingly importance as reserve currency. According to the IMF's latest survey on currency composition of official foreign exchange reserve, the RMB share increased from 1.79% to 1.89% in the fourth quarter of 2018, ranking the fifth among all allocated reserves. RMB is also the fifth most used currency globally right now, according to the SWIFT. Most recently, the CIPS has extended operating hours to 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and it basically covers the global time zones. Third, we also believe the Belt and Road initiative would deepen currency cooperation with countries along the Belt and Road initiative and lead to increasing usage of RMB in the trade and the investment between China and the Belt and Road partner countries. In the year of 2019, China will host the second Belt and Road Forum and the second International Import Expo. China's economy will be more and more connected to the global economy, and China's financial service sector also will be more and more open to the outside of the world. In recent years, remarkable progress has been made in the opening up of China's financial sector. Nevertheless, the degree of openness is not high, and there is much room for further improvement. I'm very confident that China's policy will stay very open to continue opening the domestic markets and promote the international use of RMB, especially in the Belt and Road countries. I hope you will enjoy the next 2 panel discussions focused on Belt and Road, and wish you all the success in your business. Thank you very much for your attention.